A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a landmark decision that reverberates through the political landscape of Brazil, the Supreme Court has ordered former President Jair Bolsonaro to stand trial on multiple serious charges, including an alleged attempt to stage a coup d'état following his loss in the 2022 presidential elections. The court's ruling comes after a unanimous decision by a 5-judge panel, which determined that the accusations against Bolsonaro warranted a full trial. The former president, who served from 2019 to 2022, is facing 5 distinct charges that could lead to significant legal repercussions, including a lengthy prison sentence. The charges stem from Bolsonaro's actions in the wake of his electoral defeat to current President Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva. Following the election results, Bolsonaro's supporters engaged in violent protests, culminating in a shocking assault on government buildings in Brasília just a week after Lula's inauguration. Justice Alexandre de Moraes, who was overseeing the case, presented compelling evidence during the court proceedings, including dramatic footage of the chaos that unfolded as Bolsonaro's followers stormed key government sites. Moraes described Bolsonaro's conduct as a systematic effort to undermine the democratic process, particularly through his persistent claims of fraud related to Brazil's electronic voting system. The judge emphasized that there was reasonable evidence suggesting Bolsonaro was not only aware of but actively involved in discussions regarding the coup plans. The Supreme Court's investigation revealed a detailed plot that allegedly included plans to harm Lula, the vice president, and a Supreme Court justice. Bolsonaro has vehemently denied any wrongdoing, labeling the accusations as politically motivated and unfounded. He took to social media to express his grievances, claiming that the judiciary is biased against him and that the proceedings are an attempt to thwart his potential return to politics in 2026. The trial is expected to draw significant public attention, especially as Bolsonaro's political future hangs in the balance. If convicted, he faces the possibility of being banned from holding public office and serving decades in prison. The Supreme Court has also indicated that 7 of Bolsonaro's close allies will face similar charges, indicating a broader investigation into the alleged coup attempt. The political climate in Brazil remains tense as Bolsonaro's supporters continue to rally behind him, despite his legal challenges. A recent rally in Rio de Janeiro, intended to demonstrate his enduring popularity, fell short of expectations, with only a fraction of the anticipated crowd showing up. This has raised questions about Bolsonaro's influence and the viability of his political ambitions moving forward. As the trial date approaches, the implications of Bolsonaro's case extend beyond his personal fate. It represents a critical moment for Brazil's democracy, as the nation grapples with the aftermath of political polarization and the challenges of upholding the rule of law. The court's decision to proceed with the trial underscores the seriousness of the allegations against Bolsonaro and the need for accountability in the face of threats to democratic governance. In addition to the coup-related charges, Bolsonaro is also under scrutiny for his handling of the COVID-19 pandemic and allegations of falsifying vaccination records. These issues compound the legal troubles facing the former president, who has already been barred from running for office until 2030 due to past abuses of power. As Brazil prepares for the upcoming trial, the eyes of the world will be on the Supreme Court and its handling of this unprecedented case. The outcome could have far-reaching consequences, not only for Bolsonaro but for the future of Brazilian politics and the integrity of its democratic institutions. In summary, Jair Bolsonaro's trial for alleged coup attempts marks a pivotal moment in Brazil's political history. With serious allegations on the table and the potential for significant legal repercussions, the nation watches closely as the judicial process unfolds, hoping to restore faith in democratic governance amidst a turbulent political landscape. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.